Schools that become Microsoft Showcase schools are ones where they are taking forward the digital conversation using Microsoft tools to help students develop a digital skill set that they need for the future.
The world that the children will go on to work and live in should be replicated in school. So we wouldn't do something for the sake of it with digital tools if we didn't think it was going to benefit their learning and their life outside of the classroom.
Today, as part of the Microsoft Accelerate and Demonstrate programme, we've got 4 different schools joining us so that they can actually learn from what Amesbury have achieved and be able to take those learnings and put them into place in their own schools.
Today we've been going round and we've been looking at how one-to-one devices can really help children learn, and we've been looking at a hybrid learning of not just replacing exercise books but also incorporating books and one-to-one devices as a tool for learning, not just a replacement for the pen and pencil.
I think it was really interesting to see how the school have put all their planning onto OneNote, and it's very easy for not only teachers to look at the resources and the planning to help with their lessons, but also for the children just to be able to grab resources and put them into OneNote page. We saw that happen in every lesson we've been in today. The children have just been so quick to get the resources they need to help them achieve their objectives.
So before today, it was quite difficult for me to imagine how I was going to implement the one-to-one devices within the classroom, but today has really helped me envision that, and it's made my journey for next year a lot more clear.
Being here today at Amesbury has shown me how children can become more independent in their learning, and then they can have more choice about kind of how they present their learning and how they put together all the building blocks of resources that are given to them and how they can make things meaningful for them. And I think before I came, I couldn't envisage how you can have a classroom full of children with a device, but they're all learning in their own way, at their own pace. I walked around classrooms and I talked to children who could say, I'm presenting my work like this because I know that this app does this, and I learn better by recording myself. I know they could say, I prefer typing because I'm not very good at writing, not very good at spelling, but I can type because it's easier.
I've been working with the teachers from the London schools for a number of months, and I'm able to deliver consultancy and advice and support around the use of technology. What I can't offer them is context, seeing it live in action, bringing the teachers to the school so that they can see the learning in action has given them the ability to connect the dots. So when I've talked about you can use OneNote in this way, you can use your devices to be able to do this, the staff are kind of like, that's really exciting, but they can't necessarily put that into almost like a visual practice. So coming here today has meant that they've been able to actually see it in practice and start to really visualise what that's going to look like for them moving forward.